One of the things we saw, I think, particularly in 2020 in America, was this idea that the government could stronghold Christianity. Now, I think that ship has sailed. It's sailed in Europe, it's sailed in Australia, New Zealand, the UK. That ship sailed in Canada, etc. What are the pros and cons of thinking that a government can? Because I think that's where a lot of Americans are like, oh my goodness, now what? Like, we kind of lost, maybe we'll lose the Supreme Court. Maybe we lose the White House. Maybe we lose Congress. Maybe we lose the state gubernatorial seat. And we've kind of lived in that reality for a while. So what's your take on that?
Yeah, I think there's an opportunity because Christianity can show itself to be authentic. I think there's, some negative pieces for sure, culturally. But to speak to the positive ones, I think there's an opportunity where the church, no one hated exoskeleton, cultural, religious mindsets more than Jesus. Read Matthew 23, right? You build the outside of the...
What is exoskeleton?
Like the outside of something.
Oh, yeah,
right?
Yeah.
And so it's kind of like this, hey, don't worry, we have, these cultural things that are Christian. But Jesus goes, yeah, you've cleaned the outside of the cup, but the inside of the cup you don't actually know God. You've built a world where people say prayers before they go to school, but they still die and go to hell because they didn't know Jesus. What's more terrifying than a culture that builds itself out in Christendom, but doesn't actually know Christianity, And so it's this sense of like, there's been these walls broken down, which has had this opportunity for the church to show itself as the counter people. And so where is the Christianity growing? Come back to what we were just saying. Where is Christianity growing? China, Latin America, countries in Africa, where sometimes Christianity is not even legal, or it's being oppressed, or it's been nationalized and the leaders have been put in prison. This is where it grows. You've seen this, like, what do they used to say? The blood of the martyrs is the seed of the church. The church is like the harder you hit it, the deeper it goes. It's like, that's how we actually grow.